Hi everyone, Diana here. Thanks for joining us at HANGRY. Today we are going to make some charred octopus, hummus, and roasted potatoes. Let's go! Using a mesh strainer with a bowl underneath, drain your chickpeas. Make sure to save the aquafaba, which is the liquid from your chickpeas, for the hummus. In a food processor, add the chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pulse till the mixture looks like a paste. Add the aquafaba and add a little bit more olive oil till smooth. Transfer to a container. Finally, dice half a shallot. Transfer your diced shallot to a bowl. In the bowl, add white wine vinegar, honey, salt, and pepper. Whisk to combine and then whisk in olive oil. Set your vinaigrette aside. Add your garlic cloves, celery stalks, leek, water, black peppercorns, lemon, and salt. Bring this liquid up to a gentle boil using the sauté function. Let's prep our octopus while we wait for the liquid to come up to a boil. Using a knife, cut around the beak of the octopus to remove it. Once your liquid has come up to a gentle boil, drop your octopus in. Using the manual function, set the timer to 13 minutes. While the octopus is cooking, prep your potatoes. Quarter the potatoes, transfer the potatoes to a bowl. To season, add salt, pepper, paprika, powdered garlic, and za'atar. Use a spoon to make sure your potatoes are evenly coated with oil and spices. Preheat your oven to 425. Throw in a sheet tray while your oven is preheating so that your potatoes get a quick start. When the octopus is done cooking in the Instant Pot, set the octopus on a sheet tray to cool. This will ensure that when you sear it later, it won't overcook. Add potatoes to your hot sheet tray. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Have tomatoes and Husk cherries. Transfer to a bowl. Add olive oil, salt, and pepper. Set aside. Rotate sheet tray of potatoes and set a timer for 10 minutes. Portion out the octopus. Get a cast iron pan with oil. Sear for about a minute on each side. Transfer cooked octopus to another tray. Put a dollop of hummus on a plate. Add the roasted potatoes, then octopus. Top with tomato Husk cherry mixture. Drizzle the shallot vinaigrette on top. Finish off with extra nice olive oil. Time to eat. All done.